Hi guys, we are come to our next question. Okay, in this question, our scenario is x plus y whole square is equal to 400. Okay, and xy should be 96. So this type of question is that in which we have to find in previously x and y values from these two equations. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what method should be determined and how I should be possible to answer this question? So as we know, x plus y whole square is equal x square plus y square plus 2xy. So this is what we know that x plus x add y whole square is this formula. We have to put these values in this equation, okay, and then we find our x and y. So put these values in that particular place. X plus y whole square is equal to 400, so this is 400, and x square plus y square, this we don't know, so we have to we have to remain as it is, okay. And 2 xy should be 96, so it should be multiplied by 2 after all, and after multiply 2 multiply 96, so that is 192 plus x square plus y square, and this is 400 as it is. Minus 192 should come to the second place and get subtracted from 400. After subtracting, we get 208, which is sum of both squares, x square plus y square. Okay, then let's move on. We also know x minus y whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, in this question, x minus y whole square should be remain constant as it is, and we should put this value x plus y square in that place, which is 208 minus, and 2 should be at a constant, and xy should be, we put that question equation, which is 96. Okay, then 208 as it is, 2 multiplied by 96, which is 192, both are subtracted to each other, then we get 12. Okay, sorry, that should be 192, and this is 16. Okay, and we take both square on both sides. Our answer should be plus minus 16. So you have any query, you can contact me. Okay, then we solve our next system, in which x plus y equal under root 400. How this is come? In first equation, x plus y whole square is equal to 400, so we take under root on both sides. Under root, this will be cut from that place as it is, and this will come, and this, so this equation should be made. Okay, now we know that x minus y, which is 16. Okay, 16 plus or minus on both values it should contain. Okay, then put, and there should be another two cases in which we put where is plus 16 or minus 16 as it is. Sorry, this should become into plus minus 4. Okay, plus minus 4. So 4 should be positive or a negative. In case 1 it should be positive, x minus y equal to positive 4, case 1, and case 2 it should be x minus y minus 4. Okay, we have to put these values on, we have to add both sides. Okay, 400 under root, we should know under root 400 is equal to 20, x plus y plus x minus y, what is about, so 20 plus 4 and 20 plus 4, which is 24, and we see minus x plus x should be cutting and 2x should be remain, or x should be 12. We take x value, and another where x minus y is minus 4, so already we have x plus y, which is 20, so add those values. In this place it should be 16, and y again cut it down, and x is 2x is combined, so 2x will come out, and x should be 8. So as previously we discussed, if there is two values of x, which is 12 and second one is 8, so our one value should be x is equal to 12, and then second value should be 8. Okay, these are our final answers. So how this process should be come into real life scenario, how should we design? So you should be design a rectangular room. Okay, this is our rectangular room, and now you have to design a rectangular room for a residential building with this requirement. First is combined perimeter. Combined perimeter should be x plus y whole square is equal to 400. So this equation must be true. And second thing is x plus y, so this is like that. So x plus y, this is our x and this is our y, should be when adding this should be 20. Okay, or it should be x should be less than y. Okay, then the floor area, so this is our area of our room. Okay, and this should be 96 square. Okay, so we have to plan this value, and there are two dimensions, one is 12 meter, one is 12 meter, and second one is 8 meter. So these are two dimensions where we should apply, and after multiplying both dimensions, uh, I get 96 meter square, which we used in floor. Okay, and other thing, after adding those two things should be 8, x is 8 and y should be 12. So after adding these two, so we get 20. So in real time this should be working at this place.